Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you'll want to open up your contacts application. From here, if it looks the same way as it does for you right now, normally you'd want to click right here and choose settings, but you can see that there is no settings for me. So I need to click right here on this phone icon, and then I can navigate to contact app settings, and in here I'll find the option to import. So I want to import from SIM card, and this will show me all the contacts that are on the SIM card. By default they will all be selected, so if I don't want all of them I can simply deselect some of them, and then by tapping import it will import only the selected contacts. And as you can see, also when you try to import, it asks you if you want to remove those contacts from your SIM card. I most certainly do not want to do that, so I'm gonna select keep, but obviously if you want to get rid of them from your SIM card and only move them to your phone, you can. Personally, I don't really see a reason for this, because if you factory reset your device, you will kind of lose all your contacts, assuming you don't have a backup somewhere. So I'm gonna select keep. This will give me the amount of contacts that have been imported, and when I go back you can see them right here now. And that is how you import your contacts. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.